This is an unboxing for a Daniel Fairly RF3. This has been a long time coming for this knife. I've known Daniel for about 5 years now, 6 years. I have gotten a few fixed blades from him in the past, and when he started making folders, I wanted to see exactly what he could do as far as making his stuff unique. He and I spoke about what might go into the knife, but I did tell him that I preferred titanium. Let's see what he's come up with. See, RF3 blue 5-hole. Yep, and various iterations of his cards. Pretty cool. This came just in time for Christmas. Oh, okay. Daniel said this is AEB-L steel, contoured titanium. I had him put the lanyard hole just on one side. It's on the lock side. I actually had him put these holes. Usually he has them just plain, but I told him I wanted the holes and to have it anodized, and I had originally asked him to put holes in the clip, but I forgot. But he went ahead and did that anyway, and so that's pretty sweet. He put a pivot collar on here. I think this is a Steve Kelly pivot. I like how the anodizing came out. It's a stonewashed anodized blue. He has the chamfer for the holes here polished. Dude, this rocks. This is awesome. And I have just a lanyard bead for this. Thanks a lot, Daniel. I had him make the blade have a wraparound grind. I don't know if you can see it properly here, but in his fixed blades before, well, a while back, he was kind of known for making chisel grinds with this type of edge profile, I guess, hollow, and like a wraparound swedge that makes it thicker at the tip. And I asked him to do it for this particular folder that I had him make for me. It looks like he pulled that off pretty nicely. It's gonna break in nicely. I might do another video of this after it's done that. I'm also expecting a couple of other knives from Thailand. I'm gonna do a video on that too. Well, this is Daniel Fairly's RF3 and my take on it as far as adding some personal touches. Looks like he knocked it out of the park. Home run, Daniel. Thanks a lot, bud.